Oh,
Ooh, glad we're not on the trail anymore.
I know.
Tree just fell over there.
Oh my gosh.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. But when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Tippecanoe. We're waiting in line at the water fill. No attendants on duty anyway.
Nope.
Yeah, so it's a free for all right now here. Never seen a line at a water fill like this before, but hey, it is what it is, I reckon.
Yep.
Alrighty, well, guess we'll fuss with you later.
Talk to you later.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. But when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Hello.
Hello there.
Coming to you from or not live, but we're coming to you from Tippecanoe, where we will be spending the next 3 nights. It is rather busy in here for Thursday night, I think.
I think so.
And haven't had a chance to check out the facilities yet. Got the camper set up. Got the awning stake down because we are calling for some gusty conditions this weekend. And I had the DNR guy come over because there's currently nobody working the front gate or the camp gate.
Yep. It was kind of our second.
Pennsylvania all over again.
As I say, our second experience with that. So we're glad we had the first experience with it because we didn't know where we were supposed to get our tag from. But they come to you. So that's nice. You don't even have to talk to anybody coming through here. All right?
Yeah.
Yep.
But it's a beautiful place so far. At some point we'll check out the facilities. We plan to hit up the fire tower and make all 100, I believe it's 111 steps to the 90 feet to the top. And I really don't know. The nature center is on our to-do list. Some relaxing. We did have to run into town and collect some adult beverages.
Yes, Winnemac is right here. Like,
the people of Winnemac could not be any politer.
they were really nice. And their grocery store is like super cheap. And it was old school, like
Stuck in the 80s.
Well, they said it was built in the 80s.
It's stuck there.
Yeah, it is. Definitely very retro.
But But we are going to, as soon as this fire gets going, we are going to have ourselves some pizza pudgy pies tonight.
And I am starving.
I am too. We haven't eaten all day. But it was an uneventful trip up here. And hopefully it shall be an uneventful, well, we want events to happen, but not bad events. You know, we want it to stay on the calm end of the spectrum. But, yeah, until we meet again.
I'll see you guys probably tomorrow.
All right. Well, have fun.
And
if you like this stuff, please like and subscribe and ding dong the bell so you'll know when we put out another hit.
The men's restroom here. Men on one side, women on the other, with a Coca-Cola vending machine. It's about your standard fare for a state park restroom. It's bright in the night. A couple urinals, a couple stalls.
so I'm coming into the women's restroom. Just wanted to let you know. I'm going to show you what it looks like. As you walk in, you got your sinks. You got 3 of them. You got 4 stalls. You have 3 showers. Not a push button, so that's a good thing. It's not too bad in here. And then you have the 3rd one is a handicap accessible. Yep. Another extra bench and a lot of space over here. There's a bench outside of here.
Good morning, Tippecanoe. Got the fire going there in the background, and the park is starting to wake up. A lot of people here for a Friday morning. Ourselves a GeoPro, a Rockwood, a Coleman lantern, another Rockwood down yonder. Got some tent campers beside us. Later our friends will be joining us this afternoon, and that is their site. Just hopefully the weather holds off and it doesn't rain. I'm calling for rain. We don't want rain, but you know, we're camping. Sometimes rain happens. Yeah. Rain happens. All right. We'll catch you in a little bit.
Friday morning at Tippecanoe State Park. Site 62. It's rather large. It's level. Just have a little bit of a mushroom problem, but we'll get that later. Calling for rain today. The skies are overcast and cloudy. Hoping that the rain misses us, or if it's a shower, it's a brief one. Pretty soon Misty will be back up when we can maybe go check some things out or have a late breakfast. How the day is going to progress from this point, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I guess you'll just have to stick with us and see how it goes. And then hopefully sometime we will get to see you around our campfire. And if you're enjoying this, please like and subscribe. Seems like everybody constantly asking, and I hate doing that, but it really does help, and it's kind of exciting every time we catch a new subscriber.
Trail 4, 2.4 miles, marked as easy.
Currently, we're not sure if we've gotten off Trail 4. Now we might be leading down 3, or maybe 3 and 4 run together. At the moment, we're not quite sure. The map isn't overly clear, and we're camping. As long as we're on trail, we're not going to get lost. So, hey!
Okay. I didn't mean it like that.
Did you find some?
One flew in my hair.
You got wildlife in your hair?
Yeah, I don't know what it was. Something flew in my hair after I said it.
Careful what you ask for.
I know, right?
A few thousand years ago, this lagoon was the Tippecanoe River. As the river cut a new channel to the east, this water became isolated and Oxbow Lake was formed. Through more of a lagoon than a lake, it is home to a wide variety of wildlife. A few species to look for are wood duck, heron, a muskrat, beavers, and deer. This area is also home to the Massasauga rattlesnake, commonly referred to as a swamp rattler. The Indiana Department of Natural Resources would like you to stay on the marked trail as it winds through the Tippecanoe River Natural Preserve. And do not disturb nothing, as everything is protected. Please pick up any litter you see to help keep this area as natural as possible. Thank you, and please come again. wipe our feet, but somebody done stole the scrub brush.
We just got back from our trail 4, the Oxbow Trail.
It's in the books.
It is. It was a good one. Very happy that we did it. Very peaceful. Wasn't difficult.
That was trail 4, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, now, according to the Indiana Department of Natural Resources, and now it says it begins at the river picnic area and leads along Oxbow Lagoon through low river bottoms, along the river through the pine forest, past the electric campground, and back to the picnic area. Trail may be flooded during high water. And as you saw in the video, it connects with 3 and 5. Now, we started it and ended it at the electric campground, seeing as how it's just right behind ours. So
it was very convenient for us.
it was nice, easy, 2.3 miles, all before noon. Now we're going to eat breakfast.
Oh,
Ooh, glad we're not on the trail anymore.
I know.
Tree just fell over there.
Oh my gosh.
Come up here towards the nature center, and I get the feeling that we've missed the deadline on it also. The river shelter is open. Nature center. Nice little patio area back here. There's wildlife in the gutters. Memory of Floyd Barnhouse. What do you think of the river?
I feel like how half of it is dark and like really clear. I mean,
A lot cleaner than our rivers in Fort Wayne, I'll tell you that.
that's very clean. Very shallow.
That's probably deeper than you think. Maybe not, I don't know. The river shelter. Be a nice little place for a little gathering. The little fireplaces for heat. Somebody had a roaring fire going in here. I like it. Yeah. You have to stay awake if you're going to be hanging out in here. The comfort station over by the river shelter. Couple sinks. Couple urinals. Quite a few stalls. And a necessity, a plunger. I have a baby changing station. Don't imagine that gets used a whole lot. Hello, darling. What'd you think?
It's a big bathroom. I mean, it's got like 8 stalls, one giant one.
Yeah.
It's pretty interesting.
No urinals?
We don't have urinals in the women's restroom here.
Ah.
The building itself on the end is really interesting. Like that big restroom, I took a video of it.
Well, there you have it. This is the nature center area.
Here's the comfort station by the nature center. Now the lights came on automatically. And it says, in an effort to conserve energy, lights will turn off automatically 30 minutes after entering restroom. Hello. You got your standard. But there are several restrooms in here. Then a giant one at the end here. It's kind of interesting, the building. That's it. And when you stand at the door, that is the nature center.
Tippecanoe River is extremely important. River for wildlife. Macro vertebrates, small aquatic animals form the basis of the river's food chain. I don't know. I don't think they look overly tasty. We have some largemouth bass, yellow bass, red deer sunfish, crappie, and bluegill in the river. Otter Bend, the healthy river with abundant wildlife, has always drawn people to it. Apparently around the 1940s, Indianapolis businessman George A. Hilgerman purchased acreages along Tippecanoe River. The property included a house that had no electricity or running water. We appear to have a fish cleaning station here. Maybe not, I'm not sure exactly what this is. Well, might be just a little place to get away from the bugs. Says Trail 8 begins. This one says please stay in vehicle. Hopefully that's not an omen. Have a couple picnic tables, a grill out here. The comfort station here is not as pleasant. I'll walk down here to the canoe and kayak launch. No parking. Fires are only permitted in the grills and fire rings. I don't see any fire rings down here, so assuming it's just for the grills. breezy down here. What are your thoughts on this little area?
Very interesting, especially that it's a very clean river and it was used for trade and travel only back when the Miami people were here.
Indians. The Miami Indians. Trail 1, 6, and 7. Got the fire tower shelter or picnic area. Got some restrooms. Looks like an older playground that they're either A, restoring. I would assume they're going to restore it, not take it out. You have some pit toilets over there. This is right off the trail. Appears to be a lovely creature in the wild. Alrighty. We're going to put on the Pennsylvania sticker that we didn't get done in Pennsylvania because we left these at the house.
Afraid I'm going to tear it. It's not going to be perfect, babe.
There's Pennsylvania on the map. A few more states to go. We'll have the whole thing done. Recording now? Oh, yeah, man.
So we got some nice chili.
It's done now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Get it.
Look at that boil.
What else you got in that tinfoil? Oh, we got some cornbread muffins.
Oh, yeah, those are nice and warm.
All right.
Here in Winnemac, Indiana, we have an ancient artifact from many, many moons ago. These were predominantly used in the 1900s. Doesn't work today. Let's see what else we can find in Winnemac.
Alright, now we got our Tippecanoe sticker here put on. They couldn't have made this any harder to get off of the paper, but
Really like it. And there you have it.
alright.
Tippecanoe.
Alrighty. We're wrapping up our weekend from the tip. Actually, the park was kind of full and it's just relatively quiet. It did rain a little bit. Weather was not the best, but So had a good time. Got to see a lot of things. Never made it to the fire tower. Never checked out the rent-a-camp, which I'm not even quite sure what that is. But and then we didn't check out the cabins, rent-a-camp, fire tower.
There was also some kind of hall.
Oh yeah, I don't remember what it's called, but the hall we didn't check out, and we didn't do mini trails.
Yeah, we just did one, and it was
2.4 miles, easy.
it was nice. It was a good trail to do. I would do it again.
Took you around the lagoon.
It was a good weekend. Good
Bathrooms were decent. Comfort Station A is much better than Comfort Station B. Misty wishes they wouldn't call them comfort stations because she says, I want to sleep in a comfort station.
That's what this reminds me of. Yeah. Other than that, people are really nice here. It's pretty. Wish we could have explored just a little bit more, but we had a good time.
We did.
Good company, good conversation.
Some good chili.
Some really good chili.
And cornbread. They got a little burnt by the fire, but hey, happens. Still good.
And pizza, pudgy pies, of course. And
then next week we're off to Charlestown.
yep, looking forward to that. Never been there either. I'll have to let you know more on that.
Well. And we're missing our campfire tomorrow night, but we'll see you around the campfire.